Hi, welcome to CORTEXVİSION. Join me as I dive into the challenge of discovering what really makes smart cities so amazing and see if I can find the top features that set them apart. Cities have always been the hubs of human activity, driving innovation and progress. But as the world's population urbanizes at an unprecedented rate, traditional cities are facing unprecedented challenges. That's why smart cities have become so important. They offer a new way of living, working, and growing that's more sustainable, efficient, and responsive to citizens' needs. Traffic congestion is a major issue, with the average commuter spending over 40 hours a year stuck in traffic. And it's not just frustrating, it's also a massive waste of time and resources. Air pollution is another huge problem, with the World Health Organization estimating that it causes over 7 million premature deaths worldwide every year. And then there's the issue of inefficient resource management, with cities often struggling to provide basic services like water, energy, and waste management to their citizens. As cities grow, these challenges are only going to get more severe. But that's where smart cities come in. They use cutting-edge technology to overcome these problems and create a better quality of life for their citizens. Take traffic congestion, for example. Smart cities use intelligent traffic management systems that can optimize traffic light timings, reroute traffic, and even encourage citizens to use public transport or walk or cycle. But it's not just about technology. Smart cities are also about creating a more sustainable and livable environment. They invest in green spaces, parks, and gardens, which not only improve air quality but also provide a peaceful oasis for citizens. And they use innovative urban design to create pedestrian-friendly streets, public transport systems that are efficient and convenient, and buildings that are energy efficient and environmentally friendly. The Internet of Things, or IoT, is another key technology that smart cities rely on. By installing sensors and cameras throughout the city, they can collect data on everything from traffic flow to energy usage, and use that data to make informed decisions about how to manage the city more efficiently. And with the rise of big data analytics, smart cities can process that data in real time, identifying patterns and trends that can help them prevent problems before they arise. But what really sets smart cities apart is their focus on innovation and collaboration. They bring together citizens, businesses, and governments to co-create solutions to the city's problems, and they encourage a culture of experimentation and risk-taking. And with the rise of renewable energy, smart cities are even becoming more sustainable, relying on solar, wind, and hydropower to reduce their carbon footprint. One standout example of a successful smart city is Singapore. This tiny island nation has transformed itself into a living laboratory for urban innovation, with a range of initiatives from a national digital identity system to a citywide IoT network. And the results are impressive. Singapore has seen a significant reduction in traffic congestion, energy usage, and waste, and its citizens enjoy some of the highest quality of life in the world. Singapore's success is just one example of how smart cities can improve the lives of their citizens. By harnessing the power of technology and innovation, these cities can create a more sustainable, efficient, and livable environment that benefits everyone. And as the world's population continues to urbanize, smart cities are going to play an increasingly important role in shaping our shared future. So what do you think about smart cities? Do you live in one, or would you like to? Let me know in the comments below. And if you want to learn more about urban innovation, be sure to check out my next video on the future of transportation in smart cities. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.